All right, so we have some new Givenchy here. We have Gentleman Society, and this is Ambree. So it's an eau de parfum. It's called Society Ambree, and that's the new fragrance, the new release, 2025. Let's get into this. I also have a new Carolina Herrera release. 2025 just came out. This is Bad Boy Elixir. So it's just straight up the original Bad Boy and Elixir version. We'll talk about this in another video. Just make sure you're subscribed. I'll post that one after this Gentleman review. But I tried this out now. So I did an unboxing video on TikTok Shorts showing my first reactions to that fragrance, this one here, Society Ambree. Now I've tested it out, I've used it. I'm gonna talk about everything. Compliment factor, scent profile, performance, projection, longevity. Let's get into this right here. So this hopefully should hit discounters soon. Like these prices, especially in Canadian, are just not worth it. So check discounters, Fragrance by Joma Shop. They are linked in my bio. And then Joma Shop, you can do designer shopping too. Watches, glasses, handbags, purses. Really good site. And Joma Shop does ship fragrances to Canada as well. So here's the fragrance right here. Now let's talk about the bottle first. I love this bottle. I think this bottle is so cool. I think it looks really, really good. A bit of a fingerprint magnet. I was trying to spray and clean around it before this video. Got my test strip here. Let's spray this one. Let's talk about it too, because ultimately it's the juice that matters. Good atomizer, no problem with it. So this scent profile has tobacco, spices, vanilla, and a little bit of woods. The shame with this fragrance, we'll get into it, is the scent profile is amazing, but there's an issue with the performance. So this is one of the better scent profiles as far as like a sexy date night, masculine but mass appealing and cozy fragrance. As far as that goes, this is phenomenal. The scent profile is phenomenal. Right when it opens up, you get something almost like iris. I'm not saying it's iris, but it's almost like this creamy, sticky floral right in the mid with lots of spices, nice tobacco spices, not overbearing, and such a good quality vanilla. Right off the bat, it kind of reminds me of, an in-between version of Dior Homme Intense and Dior Homme Parfum, kind of meeting in the middle of those two fragrances with the spicy tobacco nature of Tobacco Vanille. So the fragrance as a whole smells like a weird blend of these three, which is incredible. You could only imagine how good this smells. Like it smells amazing. I was floored at the scent profile. And it's just so good. It's smooth, it's sexy, it's not too dark. The tobacco there's just a touch of it. It's not gonna annoy anyone. A perfect winter date night fragrance, most definitely. The issue is the performance, which almost makes this useless unless you spray a lot on clothes. So at first, you know, when I did my unboxing, my first review, I sprayed it. I was like, yeah, this smells good. It's radiating off the test strip, which is all true. And then I said, I hope it performs. I hope it lasts. This fragrance does not last on skin. I get about 4 to 5 hours with this, testing it out. Now on clothes, you can definitely push that, 6+ hours, but on skin, it's gonna be around 4 to 5. Yes, it's strong, it's good. People can smell it around me, a solid scent bubble for about 30 minutes. And then for the rest of the day, it's a skin scent. I'm not going anosmic. I'm asking people around me, I'm waving my arms. Hey, do you smell this? Do you smell this? 1, 2, 3 hours in, they barely get whiffs unless their nose is this far from my skin. So how I would say to wear this, I would say, bring it out on date nights, cold weather, but it's not really going to perform. So the better way to wear this is just an intimate date night. If it's one-on-one, you're going over to your girl's place, cuddling, watching a movie, whatever, that's probably the better vibe to wear this, because then she'll actually smell you, right? Put a couple sprays on your clothes too, and she'll smell you. If you're going out for a night out, like a winter market or an outdoor winter event, cold weather, this isn't really gonna push and project. You're gonna need a lot of sprays if you're out and about to get people to smell this. It's more for those sexy, seductive, one-on-one date nights. I do think that's the way to wear it. And then lastly, the compliments on this. So girls thought it smelled good when I put my hand up and said, hey, can you let me know what you think of this fragrance? I'm gonna talk about it in a video. Like, what do you think? Does it smell good? Do you think it smells good? They all said it does, but like their noses, they had to get like this close to the back of my hand. I think it will get you compliments. You'll smell good. You'll smell pretty sexy. It's a great scent profile, provided the person can smell it. So overall, it's a good fragrance. I do like it. Scent profile's phenomenal. Doesn't perform. It's definitely not worth the retail price in my opinion, just being blunt. Like, don't pay retail for this. And then at the discounters too, that's up to you. Like, the discounters are going to be cheaper, like Fragrance by Joma Shop, but still, just be warned, it may not perform the best. It's just not a fragrance that does that. So this is it. Givenchy Gentleman's Society, gorgeous bottle, gorgeous scent profile, terrible performance. What's new? So that's how it goes. Let me know your thoughts on this one if you've tried it down below. You can check out those discounters and other links there if you want to do some shopping, save some money. Otherwise, I'm going to do my next review, which is going to be Bad Boy Elixir, this brand new guy here. So I'll do a similar review, tell you guys all about it. Just subscribe and I'll post that up hopefully soon.